Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious banana beignets. First, gather all your ingredients, including ripe bananas, flour, sugar, and yeast. Begin by activating 1 packet of active dry yeast in about 1/4 cup of warm water. Next, combine your dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Then, mash 2 ripe bananas and gently fold them into the mixture, ensuring everything is well combined. Now, gradually add your wet ingredients to the dry mixture, mixing until a soft, sticky dough forms. It's important not to overmix, just combine until smooth. Once your dough is ready, cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel. Let it rise in a warm place for about 1.5 hours or until it has doubled in size. This proofing step is crucial for light and airy beignets. Next, heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or Dutch oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop spoonfuls of the risen dough into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pot. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Once cooked, remove the beignets and drain them on paper towels. Finish by generously dusting them with powdered sugar. There you have it. Your homemade banana beignets are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm for the best flavor, perhaps with a cup of coffee or a light fruit dipping sauce. They're perfect for breakfast, dessert, or a special treat. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. Don't forget to share your delicious creations with loved ones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.